Ever find yourself staring at your bank balance, wondering where all your money went, even though you thought you were budgeting? You're not alone. We've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into a question that's been popping up in the personal finance world. Is PocketGuard a true zero-based budgeting app? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's level set. What exactly is zero-based budgeting? It's the concept where every single dollar you earn is assigned a purpose. Income minus expenses equals zero. Simple, right? You're essentially telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. It's about proactive control, not reactive scrambling. PocketGuard has positioned itself as a budgeting app that simplifies the process, offering features like In My Pocket, which shows you what's left to spend after bills and savings. It also connects to your accounts, tracks spending, and helps you set goals. But does this translate to a strict zero-based approach? Here's where things get interesting. PocketGuard doesn't force you into a rigid zero-based framework. It's more of a flexible, adaptable system. It excels at showing you your available funds, categorizing transactions, and identifying areas where you might be overspending. This is incredibly valuable. It provides a real-time snapshot of your financial health. However, the crucial aspect of assigning every dollar before you spend it, which is the cornerstone of zero-based budgeting, isn't the core function of PocketGuard. While you can certainly use it to track a zero-based budget you've created elsewhere, it doesn't inherently guide you through that process step by step. Think of it like this: PocketGuard is a powerful tool for monitoring and managing your finances. It's like having a financial dashboard that gives you a clear view of your spending and savings. But it doesn't necessarily dictate the specific route you take. You're the driver, and PocketGuard is the navigation system. For those who prefer a more hands-on, granular approach, you might find yourself supplementing PocketGuard with a spreadsheet or another dedicated zero-based budgeting tool. You could use PocketGuard to track your spending against the budget you've created, ensuring you stay on course. So, is PocketGuard zero-based? Not in the strictest, most traditional sense. It's a powerful budgeting tool that provides valuable insights and helps you manage your money effectively. It can definitely be used in conjunction with a zero-based budget, but it doesn't enforce that methodology on its own. It's more about providing a clear picture of your finances and empowering you to make informed decisions. Ultimately, the best budgeting method is the one that works for you. Whether you're a strict zero-based devotee or prefer a more flexible approach, understanding the strengths and limitations of your chosen tools is key. PocketGuard is a fantastic option for those seeking an intuitive, user-friendly way to manage their money. Just recognize that it's a guide, not a drill sergeant. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.